Did you know that you could get paid $700 every day from Google Translate? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do just that and earn a ton of money online every single day just by using Google Translate. The method is actually super simple. You can do this on a computer or a phone, and this opportunity is available worldwide. So let's get straight into it and learn how you can make $700 every day using Google Translate. Oh, and also make sure you do stick with me and do watch this video all the way through to the end and don't skip ahead, just so you can learn the exact strategy to make the most money in the fastest way possible. Now I just want to show you how effective this strategy is by showing you how much money you can make. So if you translate 2 files using Google Translate, you can earn between $100 and $150. If you translate 4 files, you can make up to $450. And if you translate 8 files, you can earn up to $700. So you can see the opportunity here to make a lot of money is absolutely massive, and this is definitely a method you are going to want to take advantage of. So first you want to go to a website which is called latium.org, and the website looks like this, and I want to show you that there's actually a lot of earning potential on this website. This is going to show how much people are charging for the service, and you can see some are charging just $10, but if we scroll down we can see $50, and there are another couple here at $100. But take a look at this. This person is charging $1,000, which is just insane, but it's proof that you can make good money doing this. So when you first sign up for this website, you'll be able to browse through different projects, similar to the projects I just showed you. There are a ton of different jobs you can do as well, if you wanted to do other things to make money, and you will get the choice to be paid in US dollars, cryptocurrency, PayPal, as well as other payment methods that are available in your account. So with Latium, you can start working right away. All you need to do is go to the Latium website and look for a new project, submit it, and then you can start working right away. Next, of course, is to finish the project and submit your work through the Latium contract management system. And once your work has been reviewed and approved, it's actually time for our favourite part, getting paid. So your payment will be released immediately to your Lithium wallet with no delays. And what you are going to want to do is sign up by clicking the I want to work button from the homepage. From here, you will need to enter your best email address, or alternatively, you can sign up faster using either Facebook, Google, or a Apple ID. After you do that and join up, you should be able to claim a free $1 bonus just for signing up, but to get paid this, you will need to first verify your email address, so do make sure to check your mailbox and click the activation link. So do remember to do this straight away, just so they can set up your Latium account and for you to claim your free sign up bonus. Alright, so once you log into your account, what you want to do is click onto Browse Projects, and you should be able to see all the projects that are currently available, and there is actually a ton to choose from and join and get paid. So at this stage you might see a lot of projects that a lot of you, including myself, have no skills or experience in. Like for example things like graphic design or software development, which, to be honest, I have no experience in myself. Now the great thing about this strategy is that you do not require any skills or experience to do it. So from here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you will see there is an option called Translation and Language, which you will need to click on. So this will take you to a page where you can see all the available projects, and I'm just going to show you a quick example of what a project will look like. And just remember that you do not need to speak any other languages, as we will be using Google Translate to do all the work for us. So you can see here I have a document that says German to English, and the payment for this project is $125. So if you were to do this, you would earn $125 for translating this document into English. Now you might also do a project to translate a document from Japanese to English, similar to this one, which is paying $95. And again, if you were to use the tool to translate this, you would get paid $95. Once you finish your projects, you will be paid in cryptocurrency. There are a variety of different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin as well as many others. Or you may choose to get paid in US dollars by bank transfer, PayPal, or Payoneer. There are a variety of payment options available on this website, so you can choose which method is most convenient and works best for you. Now, I understand that many of you are coming from all over the world and may not be able to translate different languages, but the thing is, I'm only going to show you in this video how you can use the power of Google Translate to actually do all the work for you. And in addition to that, I'm also going to show you how to automate the process so you can make money over and over again. Now, before we get into the most exciting part of the video and learn how to use Google Translate to make a ton of money, if you are enjoying this video and want a chance to be entered into our monthly shoutout prize draw, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get informed whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. And also do drop a comment below if this video helped you out. We always love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Okay, let's get back to it and into the exciting bit about how to make up to $700 a day with this method. So the first thing you are going to want to do is go to Google Translate, which should look like this. And if you look at the left, this is where you can copy and paste your text. And this is going to translate the text automatically into your desired language on the right. Now, it can be quite tricky to see the text as this is really small, so what you are going to want to do is actually come across to translate.google.com, and this is actually much simpler to work on because it's larger. Alright, so from here to use this tool is super simple. What you are going to want to do is copy your article, so I will use my example article to show you what to do, and what I'm going to do is highlight the whole article and right click my mouse and select copy, and then come back to Google Translate and paste it over here in the left box. One of the great things about this is it's actually a auto detect feature which automatically detects the language of whatever is in the box. So in my example, you can see it has automatically detected the text as German, and you can see this has automatically translated this into English for me. So what you're going to want to do is just make sure the entire document is copied from the translation, and then you want to come across to Google Docs, and then from here what you want to do is select a new document, hit paste, and as easy as that, we have our document automatically translated. Now, if you prefer, you can actually do this in sections, which is actually better and a lot easier. So what you want to do, for example, is copy part of the article first, paste that into the Google Doc, and then you would come back and copy the next section, and again come back and paste until you have copied and pasted the whole document. And of course, because Google Translate automatically translates for you, you can do this over and over again. So this is actually a super simple and really fast way to make a ton of money online. So after we've done that, we may submit it to various jobs and offers, and we will be paid. So payment does vary, but if you're lucky enough, you might get some German, Spanish, or maybe even Japanese, and they'll pay you up to $100 per project. So you can see that this is actually really easy to do, and it's something I feel anyone can repeat. And also, as I mentioned earlier, you can do this on your phone or on your computer, so you can choose whichever device that you prefer. Quite simply, go to google.com and type in Google Translator to have this program or application perform all of the work for you. So if you enjoyed this video and you are looking for more ways to make money online, then you need to check out this video on how to make PayPal money just by clicking. It's actually a super simple strategy that anyone can do, and the great thing is it's completely free to get started. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.